Hello, today we introduce the installation video of Broadcast-grade Studio Teleprompter. First, open the package, take out the teleprompter and accessories. And for the casters, mount the tripod on the casters. Connect the tripod quick-release plate to the camera bracket and tighten the screws. Attach the tripod quick-release plate to the tripod and tighten the screws. Insert the monitor bracket into the camera bracket and tighten the screws. Expand the teleprompter hood. Connect the teleprompter glass bracket to the camera bracket and tighten the screws. Put the spectroscopic glass into the glass holder. Attach the hood to the glass holder. Tighten the screws. Connect the monitor stand to the monitor and tighten the screws. Insert the teleprompter display into the display stand and tighten the screws. Insert the self-check monitor into the monitor stand and tighten the screws. If you need to use the camera as self-check, connect the camera pallet to the camera and tighten the screws. Connect the camera quick-release plate to the camera support plate and tighten the screws. Insert the camera quick-release plate into the camera bracket and tighten the screws. Installation is complete. Start to use.